Hi, thanks for watching my video. In this video, I want to show you how to create this hook diagram. Okay. So by using our AutoCAD software, firstly, I need to create the rectangle. So by using the rectangle command, press enter. I click over here. Then I put the dimension is 30, 32.5. Press enter. Okay, next I want to draw the line over here and here. So by using the line command, press enter. Then I press shift, right click. I choose from because I want to draw the line distance from here to here is 7. So I click here. Then I specify the distance is, I put alliance -7, then angle is 0. Press enter. So you can see this line. Okay, distance from here to here is 7. Then I want to mirror this line to the left by clicking this line. By using mirror command, press enter. Then I click this midpoint, then I can copy this line to the left. Press enter. Okay, next I want to draw the line over here and here. So firstly I need to create line at here and here. So by using the line command, press enter. Click this line. Okay, I create this line, and also I create this line. Okay, next I can draw the line by using the line command, press enter. Click this midpoint to create the line. Then I put the line distance is 9. Press enter. Then simply by copy this line. Okay, I copy this line over here. Okay. Then now I create a line connecting from this point to this point. Okay. So next I want to create the circle, the two circles. So okay, by using the circle command, press enter. Okay, the first circle that I want to create is the distance, the x distance from this point is -17, and the y distance from this point is -86. Okay, so simply I type the circle command, press enter, then shift right click. I choose from, then I click this point, the starting point. Then I put the alliance. The x direction is -17, comma, the y direction is -86. Press enter. Okay, so the radius I put 45. Okay, press enter. Alright, so next I want to draw the another circle, but the distance from this point is -24 x direction and -81 y direction. Okay, so by using the circle command, press enter. I press shift, right click. I choose from, then I click this base point. Then I specify the starting point from that base point. So by entering the alliance, -24 x direction. Then for the y direction I put -82. Press enter. Okay, for the radius I put 31. Press enter. Okay, so next I want to create the arc over here. So firstly, by using the line command, I bring the cursor to the center, then drag the cursor downward, then click to this intersection, then I create the line like this. Okay, by using the offset command, I will offset this line upward with 56 distance. Okay, by entering the 56 distance, the offset distance is 56. Press enter. Then I click this line, then I offset upward. Okay. Alright, so next, by using the arc command, press enter. Then I press shift, right click, I choose nearest because I want to specify this the up starting point over here. Then third point, again I choose nearest. This is my second point. Then my third point, by using nearest also, I click this. I click here as my third point. Okay, so now I can erase this line and also this line. Okay, so now I want to create the line over here and here. So by using the line command, press enter. I click this point. Okay, I click the line. Okay, and also I want to create the line over here. Okay, alright. Okay, next I want to create end up over here with radius of 21. So by using the fillet command, press enter. I click radius, then the radius I put 21. Press enter. Okay, by clicking this first object and second object, we can create the arc with radius of 21. Okay, once again, by using the fillet command, I put the same radius 21. Press enter. Then I click this line and this circumference. Okay, so now I can trim this circle. Okay, by using the trim command, press enter twice. Then I erase this. Then I trim this circumference. Press enter. Okay, this also I can trim. Okay, by using the trim command, I trim this circumference also, and for this line I just click and press delete. Okay, so done with our drafting. Next I want to create the center line over here. So I go to the annotate tab, then I click center line. So by clicking this line and this line, I can create the center line. Okay, so we can extend this center line downward. Alright, okay, so done with our drafting. So thanks for watching my video. Keep follow my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and tutorial for AutoCAD, Inventor and another engineering design software. So all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.